Speaking of our design philosophy, we think that we're living in a very interesting era at the moment in which not only technology develops so rapidly, but it has this immediate and direct effect on our business models, our creative process, and even our values. And this impact is being made collectively. So that being said, I think this had a very huge impact on my personal approach towards design. Now, for me, it's more like getting as much updated as I can with the latest technologies and then make assumptions about how these can be applied in the future and start the design process and the developments from there. We're living in a time in which the consumer knows better. We're gaining clarity about what it means to be responsible, what it means to be sustainable, and what does creativity means. So this being combined with this massive shift of technology, I think will continue to change the way we dress, whether it's going to be in the digital realm or in the physical one. Lately, we've seen a lot of trends that made their way from the digital realm into the physical one, and vice versa. We've seen a lot of iconic historical art pieces that made their way into the metaverse. So I think these two will continue to have an impact on one another. And what we're trying to do is to blend these two identities so seamlessly that maybe one day they can be considered as one. So how to integrate this and how to blend these two shapes the structure of our design philosophy for the future of fashion.
I personally feel so excited to see how people are connecting more with unconventional and extravagant forms. Previously, these forms and designs were mostly accepted for models in editorial, but now people feel more comfortable using them in the digital world. This shift in perception is slowly being integrated into the realities, so I really believe that it is important to stay current with these changes. And as a designer with a background of 3D modeling and a person that have worked with additive manufacturing technologies for years, I feel well positioned now to adapt to these new changes in the industry. Using 3D models only to bring them to the physical life was previously the norm for me. But now there is this vast opportunity to keep and use them in a digital world. This opens up a whole new level of design philosophy to work with, as the law of physics do not need to be as much as important as they were in the physical world. And moreover, the fact that diverse roles like engineering and design coming together at the same level and started work together, it's opening a whole new door to the new opportunities and growth and innovative designs. Despite the uncertainty that this shift brings to the industry, we see it as an opportunity to shape new business models and smarter design. So, in conclusion, we can say our design philosophy relies on transparent collaboration, inclusive communities and consumers, and thoughtful design to bring more certainty and ensure that we can reach the promises for a better future for fashion. By embracing technologies and being open to new unconventional forms and designs, we can create a fashion ecosystem that values our vision. And this is what we consider the most important element to impact our design philosophy, pushing our business model and design strategy to become more inclusive and diverse for the future of fashion, correcting what did not work before.